Hey guys, Richard here, eBike Reviews and Adventures. I'm out riding the Happy Run G70 today, and I'm going to bring you some specs and tell you what I think, so stick around. Alright guys, so here's the thing. I'm not impressed with this bike by any means. Whoa, now what's going on? A minute ago, it would only go 20 miles an hour. Now it's going 25, 22. I don't even have my hand on the throttle. 22, 23. Let's give it some juice and see what it'll do. Now it'll go faster. A minute ago, it topped out at 20 miles an hour, and that's as far as it would go. Now we're doing 26, 26. I don't know what's going on. Oh, we've got our, cruise control engaged there. That's interesting. So, here's the thing. Let me tell you a story about Happy Run. They sent this to me here a little while back, and, I received it, and unfortunately, it had some shipping damage. The power button. You have to turn it on over here with this green power button on the right side, and that's also how you shift gears. You have to tap it in order to shift through your pass levels. And unfortunately, that was kind of destroyed during shipping, and we couldn't do much with it. And also, when we assembled it, we realized that we didn't have any front blinkers that we're supposed to have. So we contacted the company, and they responded within a day or two and apologized and said they'd sent out a new button, and so they did. So it took us about, 10 days or something to get the button, 2 weeks maybe. So we got it in and we got it installed, but they didn't send us the blinkers. So I don't know if they forgot to send us the blinkers. Let me just stop right here. I don't know if they just forgot to send the blinkers or didn't want to send the blinkers, didn't even acknowledge that we had said that the blinkers are missing. So, yes, didn't get those. It's advertised as a 1,000 watt peaks at 2,000 watt motor. It's a 38 amp hour worth of batteries here between the two, that's a good feature of it. Let's go ahead and show you some more things here. They call this a cargo bike because this back section right here can come off and you can put a cargo basket on there. We don't have that, but it's an option for you. You do have the 20x4 tires up here. What are those, Kenda maybe? Looks like they might be a Kenda. I don't see the brand. You do have hydraulic brakes. You got a large light up here, motorcycle style headlight. This is the wiring for the blinkers, which are supposed to attach right here. Moving on, back over here. We do have a gold colored chain on here. I'm not sure what the significance is of. It rides pretty smooth with a dual suspension, so that part's good. We do have a derailleur guard down here, which is always good to see. We have a license plate holder right here, so you can throw a license plate on it if you live in a state that requires that. They say this goes up to 37 miles an hour. I've never had it that high, so I don't know if there's something that you need to do to unlock it. But yeah, the most we've had it was, just a second ago, up to 25. That's the highest I've ever had it to go. But here's some things with it. It's got a slow pickup, so it's nice and stable and slow on the giddy up and go. I'm not sure why they would put a 1,000 watt motor on here that feels so weak on the get up and go. I haven't done a hill test, not going to do a hill test, so I'm not sure how that would work there. It just seems like it's a weaker 750 motor than 1,000 that peaks at 2,000. It just seems like maybe the controller is undersized or something, and you're not getting the peak performance out of this as what you could. And maybe it goes up to 37 if you pedal fast enough. I'm not sure. I can't pedal that fast. Not real crazy happy with the bike because just the problems with the quality. It's not the style that I personally prefer, although I'll be happy to give a positive review if I felt all was well with it. But it needs some refinement. It does. It needs some refinement because, I can't get to 37 miles an hour, and the motor's pretty weak for being a 1,000 watt motor. I'm not a huge fan of the display. It's not a typical LCD display. You're going to see some flashing and stuff on the screen. That's just the camera. Overall the display is fine. It's got the information that you want to see here. It's got blinkers up here. You can see. Flip those on for you. So you got indicators, and it beeps. So all that's good. There you go. Got to push each button to turn it back off again. We got a battery indicator. I got both batteries turned on right now, so we're down about halfway. What I don't like about that is that you have to have this NFC card to turn it on and off. Well, you don't have to have it to turn it off, I suppose. Maybe you do. I don't know. Press and hold the start button. There you go. And then when you turn the start button back on, see, it's locked. So you have to have this card with you all the time to unlock it. And I'm not a huge fan of that, although it's great for security. I just got to remember to take it with you and don't set it down and then leave. Got another problem with the bike, and I haven't addressed this with the company yet, so I'm not sure what they would do. I'm probably not going to at this point, but the shifter doesn't work. Yeah, see, you can shift the gears and there's nothing going on here. I know I'm sitting still, but when you're riding down the road, it's not changing gears, so something's got to be done with that. It could be the way things are tied or pinched or something, so we're gonna have to take a look at that. So overall, I mean, hey, here's a button pad I really like. So the button pad is real nice. You can see everything on there, nice and clear. Loud horn. I like the grips because you got the palm rest on here. So I do like the hydraulic brakes, so that's working out well. I do like that you do have dual battery because it's, you get a lot of amp hours, you get a lot of mileage out of this bike, so I like that. I really like the suspension. The seat is pretty comfortable already, but it's nice having the rear suspension back there. The tires are good. So there's things, and here's a good shot of the blinkers back here. There you go. So you got some really good things going on here with this bike. It's just that there's a couple of quality issues, and yeah, it is what it is. So guys, you know, just gotta do what you gotta do. If you like this bike, follow the link down below and go check it out. Hey, we're gonna go do some more riding, so don't go anywhere. Let's just get back out here, do some more riding, see how she does. Who knows? Maybe something will change this time. As tall as what I am, I can't really ride this and pedal it too much because, you know, it's a moped style bike. And my knees are already up here above the handlebars a little bit. So it's kind of hard to pedal. So this is a bike that you want to just kind of cruise around on. Hey, check it out. I'm in Pass 5. And remember what I said just a moment ago? Yeah, it just topped out at 17 and it started going back down again. Now it's accelerating. So we're in cruise control mode or something. We're up to 23. Give it some more juice. We're slowly accelerating, so that's good. We're getting some good speed out of it now, so that's all a good thing. Yeah. Just kind of slow on the giddy up. And I sure wished I could change the... See that? Nothing's moving over there. Yeah, chain's not even moving or anything back there. We're not changing gears at all, so it's probably the derailleur is out of adjustment, possibly, but then again, considering that when you flip this dial, nothing is moving here like it's supposed to, I'm guessing that means this is kind of jacked up too, so I'll probably have to replace that. Probably when I replace it, I'll replace it with something with better quality. Hey, we're picking up speed again now, because we got our cruise control locked in. I don't like that so much where the cruise control automatically locks in every time you start to drive. Yeah, just different. It's a different style bike. I mean, some people love this thing, right? They're out of stock right now on the website, I was noticing, so a lot of people are scooping them up and buying them. I hope other influencers, other people are having much better experience than what I've had so far. But, you know, when you get it, it's got more than one problem. You know, broken button pad wasn't their fault. I don't blame them for that. They were fairly quick to respond and get me one, but completely ignored the front blinkers. Now we got this derailleur problem and this shifter problem over here. It's a weak motor's acting kind of funny because it doesn't seem to always want to give you the speed when you're looking for speed. It's giving it to me now again, so that's a good thing. So I don't know, guys. You tell me what you think about the Happy Run G70 down below. Hey guys, that's going to be it for this video, so give me a thumbs up if you like the video, you appreciate the honest review, and leave any comments down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'll see you guys in another video real soon. Ride responsibly, ride safe.